central Kentucky, southwestern Bullitt County in central Kentucky, northern Hardin County in central Kentucky, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Can I please make my forecast?
At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles west of Elizabethtown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Meade, southwestern Bullitt, and northern Hardin counties, including the following locations: Cupio, Longview, Howe Valley, Bertrese, Belmont, Hampton, Stites, Radcliffe, Pitts Point, and Vine Grove. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Meade.
Oh no. Oh no. Hold on, guys.